Hi, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a 2017 Ford Transit Custom in the workshop. So we've taken out the basic factory head unit and replaced it with a KENWOOD DMX5023. So it's a touchscreen radio, which wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I have my phone paired up now, so it's plugged in the USB, and I've got Android Auto on the screen. So that gives me access to Google Maps. I've got Spotify for my music. There are some other apps on here. You've got your parking, Ringo. There are other music streaming apps you can get on there, so like Prime, YouTube Music. I haven't got anything else on here. Oh, I have got YouTube Music. Yeah, it's also got a digital radio, DAB, Bluetooth hands-free and audio streaming, and yeah, and we've also added a reverse camera. There's that one there. Alright, there we go.